Principles of BodyTalk System. BodyTalk System works with the core concept that a body has got ability to heal itself. We call this body's inborn ability to heal as innate wisdom of the body. So imagine you cut your finger, your blood will clot, and your skin will heal, and you've got a perfectly functional hand, literally within a day or two. So the wisdom that drives this body's healing process is called innate wisdom. So another analogy you can look at innate wisdom is how from an embryo, a complete newborn baby is formed. So the wisdom that drives this whole growth and development of the fetus and the cell division is the innate wisdom. Now, if our innate wisdom is functioning well, why would somebody have chronic condition or health conditions going on for years? Our body works with communication networks, and many a times with everyday stresses of our life, these communication networks could be compromised. So this stress could be our lifestyle, our diet, nutrition, and various different factors. So BodyTalk System is about communicating with your innate wisdom, using a biofeedback system, which is a muscle testing, which is about getting yes and no response and asking specific questions from your body mind, and identifying where these communication networks are compromised, identifying whether it's an emotional trauma, there's a virus or a pathogen, why the immune system is sluggish, not being able to identify the pathogen and launch an immune attack. So addressing those underlying causative belief system, traumas, stresses that could be compromising that functioning of the immune system, leading to that particular allergy or intolerance, or whatever your body's unique story is behind those symptoms. And we are looking at, after identifying these causative factors, we are using the concepts of Chinese medicine, Western medicine, psychology, quantum physics, concepts of osteopathy, lots of different systems put together into a program to address the holistic health. Again, as a practitioner, I've got lots of tools and techniques, but I don't have a treatment plan or a recipe. I communicate with your body's intelligence using a biofeedback system, and each treatment is tailor-made to your body's need. And once we identify these blockages, using all these concepts, we are running programs and treatments by activating 3 brains. So we are activating the 3 brains through tapping, gentle tapping on the head to activate the central nervous system. And this is to fix the issue. Heart brain to store the message, and the gut brain to assimilate and integrate it. So working with the 3 brains to assimilate the changes and bring those permanent shifts and lasting impact by addressing all the underlying causative factors.